Hello friend, welcome to Pankaj Vid's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are diving into how you can create the stunning YouTube banner which grabs the attention and represent your brand perfectly. So first thing first, why YouTube banner is so important? When people visit your YouTube channel, first thing they see is the YouTube banner. And we have to make sure when you are having the YouTube banner, it should be very stunning and eye-catching. Your YouTube banner only will tell your brand and what is it all about to your viewers. So it is very important. We need to have the very proper and good YouTube banner. So before we start in the creating the YouTube banner process, you need to know a couple of things. What you all need to have. So first thing, you need to have YouTube banner template, which is 2050 by 1440 pixel. Second, you need to have high definition image or graphics. Third, you need to have design tool like Canva or Photoshop or some other online banner tool. So let's get started in the system, and I will show you how you can create the very stunning YouTube banner. In this video today I will show you we are going to use the Canva basic version that will help you create the stunning YouTube banner.
So first of all, you have to open the image with the paint. If you see here, I have a paint, and in this paint you go and select the image and you go here, you see, so remove background. So from here you can remove the background, and you see the background is removed. Now you can copy this image and put it in the Canva tool where we are making the YouTube banner. So this is how you can remove the background from using the normal paint tool. Thank you.
So here what you are going to do, so here you see I shown you how you can, from the paint you can remove the background. So after that what you can do, you can copy that image and put it here. Now what I'm going to do, edit the image and I have to put some border here. So let me use this border. So I will grab this image. So I will tell you why I'm using the border also. So once you use the border in this, so you see I will remove this and bring it here. And then just edit the image again and for the magic thread. So this is how you can just add it will create the border. So just you have to slowly move here or little bit reduce the size. Yeah, so this is looking better. So yeah, this is how what you can do. You can just add your image also in your banner, and then you can save this file. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to download this file and I will try to upload, and I will show you how it is exactly appearing in the YouTube banner. So let me download it and I will go and download. So let me do this. So let me go and download login in my YouTube channel, and then I will show you how it is looking there. So now I'm in my YouTube studio. So what you have to do, go to your customize channel. When you are in customize channel, here you can see the profile thing, and here you have to change the banner. You see the banner image, we click on the banner Then I'm going to upload the image which we recently created. So here, this is the my recent image which I created now only. I'm going to, so now you see, this is exactly it is appearing where we told about that rectangle box. My channel, we provide funny videos on my image. That's what I was telling. If you put the everything inside your box, so whatever is coming in this rectangle, it will appear in all the devices like phone, tablet, laptop, or computer. And this blog will look like here in the, if you watch in the TV, if you look in the desktop, it will appear here. So basically, whatever is coming here, this will link to the all the device, like whatever device you open the YouTube, it is going to look like this only. So sometime what used to happen, if you are creating the image, it is not in proper format, it is just it was not aligned properly, so image was going here and there, it was not looking uh, properly in the all the devices. And then you click on done, so you see it got changed. So this is how it is going to look in my YouTube channel. So I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, please subscribe and comment on my video also. And if you like more such videos, please comment on this video and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.